The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not explicitly mandate the installation of a junction box behind bathroom vanity lights. However, local building codes can introduce supplementary stipulations. Inspectors maintain the prerogative to dismantle fixtures for verification of electrical box presence, particularly when concerns arise about installation safety. Electrical boxes serve as secure enclosures for electrical connections, mitigating potential hazards like loose wires or exposed terminals. Mandating box installation during the rough-in phase presents challenges, including the potential need for patching holes if errors occur during trim work, which can result in significant drywall damage. A box installed during rough-in can restrict flexibility in centering the light fixture over the sink, influencing proper illumination. To effectively address the issues, there are certain recommendations. Firstly, engage in a dialogue with the inspector to comprehensively grasp their specific concerns and collaboratively explore alternative resolutions. Secondly, contemplate employing toggle bolts in lieu of stapling the switch leg directly to the studs, providing adaptability for adjusting the light fixture's position during trim without needing a box. While not mandated by code, installing a junction box during rough-in offers convenience and adaptability during trim work, facilitating effortless connection access and mitigating drywall damage risks when adjustments are necessary. A junction box offers a centralized point for making electrical connections, streamlining the wiring process and reducing the likelihood of haphazard connections. It provides a dedicated space for wire splices, ensuring they are properly insulated and protected, minimizing the risk of electrical shorts or other hazards. A junction box can serve as a convenient location for future modifications or additions to the electrical circuit, making it easier to upgrade or expand the lighting system. By installing a junction box, you can avoid the need to run new wires through the wall or ceiling, saving time and effort in the long run. While it may seem like an added expense upfront, installing a junction box can actually save you money in the long run by reducing the risk of electrical problems and making future modifications easier. The cost of repairing damaged drywall or rewiring a circuit can quickly exceed the cost of a simple junction box. Installing a junction box can also help improve the overall appearance of your bathroom by concealing unsightly wires and connections. This can create a cleaner, more professional look that enhances the value of your home. While inspectors have the right to verify the presence of electrical boxes, it is important to remember that they must also adhere to the NEC and any applicable local codes. If you believe that an inspector is being unreasonable or exceeding their authority, you have the right to appeal their decision. Consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that your electrical installations comply with all applicable codes and regulations. An electrician can help you understand the specific requirements for your area and ensure that your wiring is safe and up to code. By working with an electrician, you can avoid potential problems with inspectors and ensure that your electrical system is functioning properly. Electrical boxes are designed to protect electrical connections from physical damage, moisture, and dust. This helps to prevent electrical shorts, fires, and other hazards. Electrical boxes also provide a secure mounting point for electrical devices such as switches, outlets, and light fixtures. This helps to ensure that these devices are properly installed and do not come loose over time. Some electrical boxes are designed to be fire resistant, providing an extra layer of protection in the event of a fire. These boxes can help to contain the fire and prevent it from spreading to other parts of the building. When selecting electrical boxes, it is important to choose the right size and type for the application. The box should be large enough to accommodate all of the wires and connections that will be made inside it. It should also be made of a material that is suitable for the environment in which it will be installed. For example, electrical boxes that are installed in damp or wet locations should be made of a corrosion-resistant material. Electrical boxes must be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock hazards. Grounding provides a path for electrical current to flow back to the source in the event of a fault, tripping the circuit breaker and preventing injury. Electrical boxes should be installed in accordance with the NEC and any applicable local codes. These codes specify the minimum requirements for the installation of electrical boxes, including the size, type, and location of the box. Before installing any electrical wiring or devices, it is important to disconnect the power to the circuit at the circuit breaker. This will help to prevent electrical shock hazards. Always test the circuit with a voltage tester to ensure that the power is off before working on it. When working with electrical wiring, it is important to wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and eye protection. This will help to protect you from electrical shock and other hazards. Never work on electrical wiring if you are not qualified to do so. Electrical work should only be performed by licensed electricians or other qualified professionals. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to hire a professional to do the job. The NEC contains detailed requirements for the installation of electrical boxes, including the size, type, and location of the box. The NEC also specifies the types of wiring methods that can be used with different types of electrical boxes. It is important to consult the NEC before installing any electrical wiring or devices. Local codes may have additional requirements for the installation of electrical boxes. These codes may be more stringent than the NEC requirements. It is important to check with your local building department to determine the specific requirements for your area. Engaging with the inspector is crucial for navigating code interpretations and finding compliance solutions. Open communication can clarify concerns and prevent misunderstandings. Toggle bolts offer a versatile alternative to traditional mounting methods, providing flexibility in fixture placement. Their adjustability allows for precise entering of light fixtures without relying on fixed box locations. While not always mandatory, installing a junction box offers numerous advantages, streamlining connections, enhancing safety, and simplifying future modifications. It serves as a central point for wire splices, ensuring secure and insulated connections. By carefully considering these factors and engaging with the inspector, you can achieve a safe, compliant, and aesthetically pleasing bathroom lighting installation. Remember that electrical safety is paramount, and adhering to codes and best practices is essential. It is vital to respect the authority having jurisdiction, known as the AHJ, which is usually an inspector or local authority. Explore alternative solutions and consider junction box benefits for a practical, compliant approach.